Game of Apps parents and students. We've just completed week 1 of this season's program, and we're really excited to meet this year's students. In our senior program, students received an intro to the Java programming language, the Android Studio development environment, and an intro to the elements of design. We had quite a few returning students, and it was great to see you again. In our middle year's Level 1 program, students were introduced to Swift Playgrounds on the iPad or the Mac. In the Level 2 program, we conducted a review of our Level 1 materials in preparation for the new materials this year. In the coming weeks, we'll be diving deeper into these lessons. The level of interactivity from the students seemed much higher this season compared to previous seasons. This is wonderful, and we look forward to getting to know the students more as the season progresses. See you next week.